Hey guys, what's going on? Brian with Varbays here, and another exciting episode of the KetoKrate May 2021. Now, these crates are great. They're low carb, low sugar. I don't want to say they're all keto because strict keto people will slam us and say we're wrong and everything else. We follow a low carb, low sugar diet, not a keto diet really. So we're kind of dirty keto is what we call. Hashtag dirty keto couple. But if you're interested in getting one of these ever, you got to do it at the beginning of the month because by the middle of the month, they're usually sold out. So go to the link below this video, click it, 25% off your first one. Or if you just go to ketokrate.com, when you're checking out, there's a code box, put Varbays with an S in that code, and you'll get 25% off your first crate. You can try it. If you don't like it, cancel. We do giveaways with some stuff in here and then some of our other sponsors almost every single month. And if you're watching this before May 9th, 2021, we're doing one on this Sunday, Mother's Day at 12 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So wherever you're at, you're going to have to figure that out. But just go to our social media on Facebook or Instagram, like the post that says Mother's Day giveaway, and you could be entered, and we'll ship you everything, a big goodie bag, and then a couple little Mother's Day gifts, because my wife likes to throw those in. So we do them most of every month because we like to give back, and we got a lot of sponsors that send us products, so free shipping, free everything. All you have to do is just follow us on social media. So let's get into the crate and see what's in it. So every month, you'll get a little card, May 2021, just so you know. It's got a members only keto shop. If you're a subscriber to this on a monthly basis, you find something you like in here, all you have to do is hit this QR code or just go to ketokrate.com and sign into your back office part or your dashboard or whatever they call it for the subscribers. And you can order any individual items that you really like. So you could have those on hand if you really love something. Rate the Crate. You can go on and rate the crate. You could win a crate from them also. Always has a little recipe of something inside the crate. Like this month, it's hazelnut spread. And then it has the recipe and directions of how to make these little Keto Ferrero Rochers. Whatever those are. They look good. They look like little truffles, huh? Oh, yeah, they do say truffles. And then another recipe for fat snacks that's inside there. Some success stories you can have. People that have done low carb, low sugar and are successful to keep you motivated. Things like that. And show us your crates, all that. It's always good. We keep these on hand. Always good to go to recipes, things like that. So what do we have here first? A buffalo-style chicken stick. Field trip. Never had that. It's chicken, though. 0 added sugars. I can't see it all, and I'm even wearing my glasses. But that's what happens when you get old. Anyways, beef sticks are always good. Chicken sticks, little go-to for a snack instead of blowing your whole diet eating something else. 16 grams of protein, sugar-free. These are always really low on net carbs, like maybe 1. Maple candy pecans. I've had these before, Keto Farms. My wife doesn't eat them because she's allergic to them, but they only have 1 gram net carbs. So it's kind of like, they're almost like candy. So if you're really craving a sweet, instead of eating the sugar-free chocolates, because if you eat too many of them, I'm going to tell you right now, it's not going to be a good day for you. So go to something like this where you can get your craving for a sweet without blowing yourself out of the water. Got some keto cereal. Never had this one. Had really good foods before. They're good. These are Fruity Rebels. 1 gram net carbs. So you can throw them in some almond milk if you're craving a bowl of cereal. This one's sugar-free chocolate drink mix. So again, sugar-free. So you can throw it in. That writing's way too small for me. But I get a free pair of glasses with my AARP card every month, so, or every year rather. That's good. That's a joke, by the way. 1 sugar gram net carbs, or 2 net carbs, 1 sugar. Peanut butter, granola bar. These ones are like soft and chewy. So it's going to be more like your traditional granola bars you get for the kids and stuff. Here's the hazelnut spread. Not a big hazelnut fan, but I'll try those truffles. My wife will probably do the recipe. And I'll try them. And most of the recipes in here that we make are really good. So it keeps you motivated, keeps you on track, but gives you some ideas. Here's curry in a hurry. That does not sound that great. It's a savory bite, so I think it's more like a power bar or something like that, but curry. which I love Indian food and curry, but I don't know about curry in a hurry. 4 grams. I'll give it a whirl. We'll see what happens. Keto chocolate, double dark chocolate chip. Gluten-free, almond-free, paleo. 3 grams net carbs. How many servings? 2 servings, so it's going to be 6. But I don't suggest you sit down and eat a bag of anything that's either low carb, low sugar. Don't eat the whole thing. Use it in like increments to kind of keep you on track, but give you a little craving if you're craving like cereal or ice cream or anything like that. I've had these 2 good to go bars, and these are delicious. This is strawberry macadamia nut. These are really good, and they're soft too, more because some of the keto products, the bars are kind of hard, you know, like cement sometimes, like chewing rocks, but these ones are really good because they're more, you know, soft to the texture. So crunchy cheese Mediterranean mix. Like little cheese bites. I don't know if you had Real Good Foods. There's a couple other ones that they make. They're like almost like a flavored, savory Cocoa Puff without the cocoa, if that makes sense. That's kind of like their what? Like a Cheeto almost, but a little more dense. But they're really good to like throw on the side of a sandwich or anything like that when you're thinking like, what do I have with my sandwich besides avocado and other things? Almond flour crackers. This is the one they had the dip mix. You can make the dips and use these. Those are always good. My wife makes an artichoke dip with cream cheese, anything like that. And then you can use these crackers. Stay on track so you won't be blowing yourself out of the water. 3 net carbs, 2 servings. So again, I wouldn't probably eat it. Split it with your spouse, split it with a friend. So you're only doing 3 each. It'll keep you on track for that meal, but you'll have a little something different. And then we have a Smart Cake. This one is vanilla latte. I've never had it. Now, disclaimer, Smart Cake's one of our sponsors. They send us a ton of stuff. You might be getting it if you win the Mother's Day giveaway on May 9th, 2021. And we love their raspberry cream one. Chocolate's good. We're both not huge chocolate fans, but it's good. So this one's interesting. I want to try it. I like vanilla and latte stuff. And then usually they give you some kind of pork rind. This one's porking good. In my opinion, and just mine, my wife might have a different opinion, but in my opinion, this is the best pork rinds flavors. All of them. Not just this flavor, onion and sour cream, but this brand. Porking Good. Another one of our sponsors. So go and check them out. You can find them sometimes at your local stores. I know they're on Amazon. You can go to our website, click on a link, go to Amazon. They're in there in our Amazon link. So that's it. That's May 2021. Again, sign up on the link below or use Varbays at checkout. Follow us on social media if you want to be entered into the drawing if you're watching this before May 9th, 2021 for our Mother's Day giveaway, 12 Pacific time. But just check us out all over social media. Use the codes. Save 25% on your first box. Do it quick. They sell out quick. And if you want to be in the drawing for this Sunday, go to our website. Go to anywhere and just send us a message. info@varbays.com and we'll enter you automatically. So that's it for this edition of What's in the Crate. Y'all be cool to one another.